Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And well, what you see before you is an LDARC R02 RTR. I got this sent for a review from Banggood. I mean, that's pretty cool when you're a tiny little YouTube channel that loves playing with RC cars, and you're not really trying to be a YouTuber, but you like making videos about RC cars. And then they reached out, asked me if I wanted to test this thing, and yes. So LDARC is the same company that made this little thing, the X43. I did a few videos on last year. Really nice little off-roader. I mean, well, it's not quite that one, but yeah. So this thing is even smaller. The X43 is 1 to 43. This is 1 to 64, I believe. Ooh, nice. Nice. I love it when things come in carrying cases. That feels a bit more premium. And the colors are really nice too. Like a nice gray, lime blue. I like it. So let's open it up and have a look inside and see what this thing really looks like. Oh, ta-da! Some paper stuff, some stickers, same that came with the X43. Little instruction sheet of how you can drive it. Manual. Mandarin. Oh, there we go. English. Goes over the car. Goes over safety lights. Oh, so it has a bunch of lights. And the radio. And the X43 had a really nice, like, 8-channel radio. I believe this thing is also 8 channels. I mean, there's a bunch of buttons on here. Doesn't have a battery compartment thingy because this thing has a built-in one and charges via USB-C. And okay, so does the car, USB-C. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Nice little screen. Oh, plenty of battery in the radio. Let's see how much we have in the car. Because it says right here, you can't really see it, 3.7 volts. So it's a 1S. It's not fully charged. It would be at 4.2 if it was. But it has enough for us just to play around with it for a little bit before I charge it up. A little screwdriver. Some spare parts and screws. I mean, these things are tiny, so, I mean, probably the toughest around. Has lights in the front, lights in the rear. I don't know if you can, well, you can see the front ones, probably the rear ones. 4. So this is obviously like a Nissan Skyline GTR looking thing, especially the rear lights and the grille. Not licensed in a way. No Nissan logos or anything like that. So let's focus in on it. Looks good. It's got a plastic body. Oh, it even has little wipers. It has little mirrors. That's cool. Some scale stuff. Using the radio, I'm guessing it doesn't use 8 channels. I figured out, oh, high beams, and then, let's see, driving, brake lights, reverse lights, nice. Turn signals, well, yeah, okay, cool, but not my favorite thing. Does that do anything at all? Oh. Hazards. So that's, oh, I turned turn signals off. That's great. Ah, yes. And the front wheels spin freely because this is a rear-wheel drive car. And using the remote, you can set your speed and your steering angle, so you can change it a little bit. Yeah, we're talking a little bit. It's barely noticeable. Speed. So that feels slower. Faster. A little faster. So there's 3 speeds, 3 series, but it kind of looks like more like 2 series. So this thing doesn't have like a gyro or anything, And the wheels are rubber, so I mean, it's not a drift car apparently, or obviously, but it's a nice little tiny race car you can bring basically in your pocket, or at least your backpack, and run pretty much anywhere, because I mean, it's got a good turning circle. I mean, I have some of the LDARC barriers and stuff, so I'm going to try and set that up and see if I can actually do some nice laps, or if I'm just going to spin out and crash. Probably more of the latter than the former, but you know, I hope I can do it. Let's go check, shall we? Follow along.
How can this be a car? A fully functioning car? This is so
like
tiny.
A little RC car. It's crazy. It's the size of a Hot Wheels. And once you sort of get the hang of it, it's actually really nice to drive too. You just have to sort of get used to the steering being really responsive. So we're already out in the garage. I don't feel like going in just yet because I have more RCing to do. We've driven this quite a bit now. It's probably about out of battery again. So, little LDARC R02 RTR in pink. Comes with a really nice radio, like pretty much all LDARC rigs do. The car itself is surprisingly good. I did not expect like a little matchbox-sized car to be as good as this thing is. Its steering is a bit too responsive even when you turn it down, so I gotta figure out a way to fix that, or just get used to it. Just got to be really careful on the wheel. It's ridiculously fast for such a little car. This is the kind of thing you dreamed of when you were a kid. Well, when I was a kid, because we didn't really have, well, we had RC cars that were super expensive or they were really bad. So that was your two choices. But we had a lot of little matchbox cars, and it's kind of like Hot Wheels these days. This is about that size. It's fully proportional. It's super fun to drive. My kid loved it. And he, when I offered him one, he was like, nah, I just want to drive the pink one. So that's a win. It's, yeah. This is my first, like, proper tiny one, and it's not going to be my last. So, loads of fun. There's a link down below to a coupon thing so you can get it a little cheaper. They're already fairly priced compared to, like, considering really nice radio. Can hold several models, so you can get one of the other ones without the radio, because they sell them without the radio as well. Bind it to this one, good to go. Or just get the RTRs, because then you can race with more than one person at a time. Highly recommend them. I did not expect this thing to be as much fun as it is. It's really good. So yeah, the whole, you know, like, subscribe, the bell, all that stuff. Yeah, and link to the car and a coupon thingy, I believe, in the description.